Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session on a Monday. I hope you all are doing well, and happy Easter. I hope y'all had a blessed Easter weekend. Today I'm off work, actually, because it's like the observed Easter, I guess, because Easter is always on a Sunday. So, yes, and tomorrow I will be going back to work. Yeah. But silver lining in that is that there are only 9 more weeks of school left. So I cannot wait. Yeah. And we just got back, my husband and I just got back from out of town. I literally have done nothing, okay, for the entire spring break that I was off. When am I filming this? I'm filming this actually on Saturday. So while you're watching on Monday, I am doing nothing probably, or I'm in my room creating. I don't know. So yes, we got back on Saturday, and I came straight into my room because I just need to get some stuff done. I want to film some videos for you all. Hopefully I will have videos all this week. I know that you can see some of the piles around me. And I filmed it, you know, in case y'all are interested, but I have these, this was a sweet Happy Mail, that I'd received a while back. And, anyway, in my to-go bag, right, when I go down south, I have a large to-go bag, but this time I just was not interested in crafting whatsoever. And what I do normally is in these folders, this was made for me and sent to me in Happy Mail. And then this one I made, and you'll see, I think in tomorrow's video, you'll see me organize, like they were jam slam full of stuff. And so I organized them all into piles. And yeah, so this particular folder is made from like a mead divider, I believe. And I got them online on Amazon. And it's just an ephemera holder. And I had originally made it a few years ago when I had started doing my expanded spine creative daily journals. And in the center, this was kind of held Midori style in the center of the book with a whole bunch of, you know, stuff, embellishments, scraps of paper, washi tape, you know, whatever. It has 6 pockets on it. Let's see, it has one up here, one down here, one down here, one in the back, and one in the front. And they are super handy. I love them. But they do get, you know, you need to clean them out every once in a while. So that's what I will be doing on the video coming out tomorrow, is going through all this fun stuff with you guys. So that was a fun video to do. I hope you come back tomorrow to see it. Otherwise, what did we do? Yeah, I did not even leave the house, okay? Like, we got down south, and this was the day we got down south, was on the 29th, on a Monday. And the previous weekend, we had family in town, and so, you know, the day before this day, we had family in town, and we had a wonderful time. I think I shared that last time. And then my husband and I hopped down to the Keys for the week. And yeah, so we went and picked up some Chinese food, and we went, you know, picked up a little bit of food at Publix. We went to Bell's, and that's like a discount store here. And they, like, their shelves were bare. We were like, are you closing? And they said, no, we just haven't gotten our shipments. So I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, I did make it to the Dollar Tree, and I got these I saw these sloth page markers again. And guys, I have so much Happy Mail to send out. Like, it's not even funny. It's seriously getting on my nerves, you know, that I just cannot get my crap together enough to send out Happy Mail, but I'm going to do it at some point. And then I got these. I don't really like rub-on transfers, but I thought these were super cute. And yeah, I'm going to, I don't even know how many are in here. It doesn't say. Let's see if this is the only thing that's in here or not, because they're like, I don't know. They look bigger. I don't know. Maybe it is just one sheet. Yeah, it is. It's just one sheet, but so cute, so cute. So yeah, one of those is going to be going to Happy Meal. And then I got these super cute little like mermaids. Sorry if it's super glary, but yeah, I got those too. And so, yeah. And then I did order are they Eco Line or Eco Line brush pens? Why? I have no idea. I see a lot of people using them, and they're actually, I think they're like watercolor. But I want to, and that's what I used here on my book. I do not brush letters, so there's really no point in me having brush pens, but I do like them for their vibrancy and the color and all that kind of stuff. I did behind this thing, I haven't glued, these were fortune cookies. I haven't glued any of this down, but see, this is, I squiggled some on here and then wet it with a brush, and yeah, you can still see the squiggles. Not a fan of that at all. I am not a fan of that at all. Now, what I could do, let's just do an experiment right here, because I have my water right here. And I have my brush. Excuse me for the cough. I have been, oh my word, coughing up a storm. Excuse me. Because I'm still getting over my cold. Yeah. And now my poor son has it. Oh my gosh. I feel so terrible. Okay, let's just see what happens on here. Let's just wipe the dust off here, shall we? Okay. Let's see if I go like that, right? Get some color on there. I'm not very precious with my pens, sorry. And let's go like this and see what happens. See, I can handle that. That I can handle. Now, obviously, this is cheap, you know, composition paper, you know, and it's gonna pill. And, you know, you get it wet and it's just not gonna be your friend. But, I mean, at least I know now I can use these this way. They are filled with watercolor. So, that'll be fun to use. So, we'll see. Like, I mean, I need another flipping brush pen, like I need a hole in my head. I don't know what's wrong with me, folks. I really don't. Anyway, and I, you know, like, it's funny because I don't go shopping willy-nilly. Like, I'm still using Christmas stuff, guys. I still have Christmas stuff left over, and you know, I don't know. Anyway, so this is gonna go here, and then I do have, where did I put it? I think it's up here. Yeah. See, I have these little things, like, so I'll cut a Bell's out and put that on there. I'll cut the Publix out and put that on there. This was for another time we got Chinese food, but anyway. So, this is gonna go on here for this day. I need to find the date wherever it is. I'm a mess, folks. I'm a mess. Like I said, I have not been in here. I haven't been in my room for probably 2 weeks. And I mean, aside to film, you know, Ramble sessions and my Collage Weekly planner. Oh, okay. Speaking of that, one of y'all left a message asking me if I could like do my Collage Weekly planner at the beginning of the week. And it just happens to work out for me to put them out on Fridays at the end of the week. So, yeah, that's how that's going to go. Just wanted to let you know. And also, something weird. And, you know, for y'all that have YouTube channels, let me know if this is happening to you. YouTube is doing something funky again and doesn't, you know, they don't tell their creators much of anything that I know of. And I had started getting, I would get notifications on my phone, and then I would click the notification and the comment was nowhere to be found. Then I would go to my computer and I would try to click on the notifications if I just go on YouTube, you know, if I just open up my YouTube, not my YouTube, just YouTube in my account or whatever. But, and I would see the notifications on there, and then I would click on it, and it usually takes you to the video or whatever, and the comments are nowhere to be found. So I don't understand what is going on. I really do not. I know one of them, I do believe, was from Crystal. Gosh, forgive me. Geez, I really should look up this stuff before I come on here. And it was about the Whimsical Tree book that I had shown last Ramble session. And she said, oh, it was me that asked about it, you know. And honey, I could only see part of your comment because when I go to click on it, it's nowhere to be found in my YouTube studio. So I have like 4 comments like that so far. I've looked in my held for review file. It's not in there. I have contacted YouTube. We video chatted. I video chatted with Google, and they said they could see nothing wrong with, my channel or whatever. And then wanted me to like screenshot them a picture of, I guess, the comments. I don't know. So I'm going to try to get it figured out, but I just want to apologize profusely for not replying, to your comments. If you've written me a comment, I always reply to my comments. So if you have commented and I haven't replied, YouTube has taken away your comment for some reason. I don't know why. I don't believe there's any, language problem or wordage problem, because YouTube does have guidelines, and I guess, it's their prerogative to erase comments, but I don't know. It's just very odd to me. So I'm going to try to still figure that out, because now I do have screenshots, because I could bring it up and see on my notifications that they are there, but they're not showing up on my creator studio page. So yeah, like I said, I don't know what's going on with that. So I have how many days? Today, tomorrow, Monday. I have 3 days. Okay. No, really like 2.5 days now. To be in my room, to do stuff, and to still, of course, spend time with my honey. And I really hope to get some videos out for you guys. I hope to look at this, okay? Oh my word, you guys. Here's the journal front, okay? And I know, like, my dear friend Allison can certainly, she knows where I'm coming from, And I know where she's coming from. I have not journaled in here since I went, oh, that needs to be glued down. I've not journaled in here since I went to the hospital with my husband on St. Patrick's Day to, be with him for his procedure, nightmare procedure. But anyway, yeah. I have not, we're already into April. What are we, April? I don't even know what day today is, April 6th or something. I don't even know. I have done nothing, folks, nothing. Okay, so what I'm hoping to do, I did this because I had the man cold there. The man flu. I was in bed. So I did decorate a few pages and whatnot, but like, look at all these, just blank. Some of them I do have stuff that I can put on the pages, but all these blank. So what I'm hoping to do is to bring you guys along. Now, oh, that does look rather nice like that. Oh, I like that. Okay, I might try to do some of that. Anyway, what I'm going to try to do for this coming week is tomorrow a video is coming out. Like I said, I organized this thing, these 2 envelopes that I take on the go, and that'll be coming out tomorrow. And then hopefully I'm going to sit in here and film me prepping the pages for journaling. I don't really have all that much to journal about, but I want to decorate the pages and all that. So I have a lot of stuff to put on the pages. And yeah, I'll take you guys along for that. It could be an 1.5 hour long video. It could be a sped up video with a voiceover. I don't know. I don't really know how to do that, guys. So there's just a hint for you right there. If I feel like learning how to do it this weekend, I will. If not, you're going to get an extra long video probably on Wednesday. Friday will, as usual, my creative, oh no, it's not creative. It is creative, you know what I'm saying. It's the Collage Weekly Planner, okay? That will be coming out on Friday as usual. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to sit in here. I'm going to try to film some more videos for you guys. I might end up splitting it into 2 videos depending on how long it's taking me to decorate these pages. But I have all my stuff around me and I'm ready to go. And yeah, so I'm going to sit in here and do that for a bit. And I hope y'all come back and join me throughout the week to see, what's been going on and what I've been doing in my book. So yeah, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified the next time a video comes out. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I'll tell you next time. No big deal. All right. Well, I hope y'all had a blessed Easter weekend if you celebrate, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. And I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.